back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Netflix movie Outside the Wire is an Anthony Mackie produced. Anthony Mackie almost vehicle almost due to the fact Anthony Mackie very almost performed second mess around the Damson Idris of FX Snowfall. You may recognize Mackie as Captain America's buddy Falcon, or unlikelihood the alternative man in the Hurt Locker, or perhaps because of the altered Carbon Man. And now we will discover if the sci-fi motion flick is worth of his charisma or is only a diversion earlier than we have marveled through him later this 12 months in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Ending explained, going to this the third act Outside the Wire pulls no punches. Leo tells Harp at the start that undertaking is to discover nuclear release codes earlier than Warlord Victor Koval below Asbeik, who plans to hard place an assault in the US. Once they officiously gather the codes, however, Leo well-known shows that he had ulterior reasons all along. He manipulates Harp into casting off his tracker and manages Chip so that he can perform out toward the purview of the United States military, then knocks Harp's subconscious and is going to satisfy Koval himself. Harp then returns to base, informs Colonel Michael Kelly of Leo's plan and is going to prevent him in the middle of slip. Harp confronts Leo, asking why the Desires bomb the United States earlier than calling. In a drone strike to spoil the release, manage middle and the store of the day. Leo dies and Harp is knowledgeable he'll be transformed home. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. They are available in rechargeable with Silly United States of America, in Worried in some other Silly United States of America Civil War, or in this case Untamed Silly United States of America in Eastern Europe. We are aware of a scenario wherein a squadron is pinned down and Air Force Lieutenant Thomas Harp, remotely working on a drone, makes a difficult call. He defies orders and launches a missile, killing American squaddies, however pretty probable, saving 2038. As punishment, he is dispatched to the front lines of the can enjoy the loss of life firsthand, and additionally so he can move on a mystery mission. Because while a man doesn't concentrate on his superiors as he has no enjoyment at the ground, it offers all forms of experience to him, something vitally essential to do. And the script's criminy. It's gaggle of worn-down pennies that want to be taken out of the circulation. The course is flawlessly okay. Idris and Mackie are game. There's a beat meat of the conceptual bones and it's brief of a pace, dashing out motion sequences and well-timed intervals. What we say is script it. We are sci-fi extravaganza, however, Outside the Wire isn't always all of these things. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Stay updated. Please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.